In this video, we will have a look at NFTs and what roles they play in the metaverse. Let's get started. Many individuals mistake NFTs for digital artworks or collectibles that may be sold for astronomical sums. However, the current digital art craze has shown many new NFT applications. The NFT metaverse connection, for example, is a good use case for NFTs. The future of NFTs offers many new opportunities for investors, businesses, and hobbyists, which can shape long-term NFT usage and adoption. One of the most critical current use cases of NFTs is accessing the metaverse. Will NFTs aid in metaverse access? Do they have any importance in establishing the metaverse future? The metaverse NFT interplay is undeniably a highlight for blockchain enthusiasts. The following discussion will explain how NFTs are vital in the metaverse. Blockchain, NFTs, and the metaverse. Blockchain is one of the most recent and popular technological innovations. It helped solve the problem of double spend by laying the groundwork for the Bitcoin blockchain. The blockchain was then used to create non-fungible tokens, NFTs, introducing interoperability and scarcity. The growing interest in NFTs and the metaverse necessitates further research into the role of NFTs and blockchain in the metaverse. What are NFTs in the metaverse? Before you can comprehend the role of NFTs in the evolving metaverse, you must first understand what is NFT and the metaverse. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are a new type of digital asset that is immutable. They help represent digital and physical asset ownership on the blockchain. NFTs are revolutionizing everything from digital painting to games. To understand NFTs' role in the metaverse, first, understand the metaverse. Think of the metaverse as a blockchain-based digital environment with visual components provided by VR and AR. The decentralized structure of the blockchain opens up endless business and societal options. Metaverse offers digital ecosystems that are scalable and interoperable. Most importantly, the metaverse is made up of cutting-edge technology and new ways of working together between people and businesses. Is NFT part of metaverse? Almost every metaverse debate mentions combining the metaverse and NFTs. Similarly, many people believe NFTs are just another component of the metaverse. NFTs and the metaverse are almost synonymous. The main reason for such assumptions is the quick emergence of NFTs in blockchain gaming. This implies that the metaverse will only emerge through virtual worlds. Interoperable games can help the metaverse grow by serving as virtual environments. Associating real-life identities with digital avatars also defines metaverse access with NFTs. The first metaverse NFT token appeared in 2019 with NFT-controlled access. The 2019 NFT.NYC conference uses an NFT-based ticket to facilitate entrance. Even if no one called the conference Metaverse, it created a positive precedent for NFT metaverse interaction. Many new projects have recently been developed to capitalize on the convergence of NFTs and the metaverse. The projects aim to revolutionize online interaction methods. With Decentraland, users can own metaverse real estate using land tokens. Will NFTs build the metaverse? The metaverse is a vast concept, and NFTs are a vital part of it. NFT metaverse projects would enable the use of NFTs as virtual property deeds. While allowing others access, NFTs may help gain exclusive access to a metaverse location. The NFT's intelligent contract features may also help sell metaverse real estate. NFT-controlled access would be the primary use case in the early stages of metaverse development. Like the first real-world application of NFTs in the metaverse, NFT-controlled access could help ensure VIP access to real-world and metaverse events. NFTs could also be used to deliver branded merchandise or special access to fans. NFTs could also enable interoperability outside the metaverse, enabling location-based engagement and augmented reality features. So, the metaverse and NFTs are made for each other. Effect of NFTs on metaverse. You may have discovered the various ways in which NFTs can assist in constructing the metaverse when searching for answers to the question, is NFT part of the metaverse? However, it is critical to recognize the role of NFTs in altering the metaverse's fundamental design. You've probably noticed that NFTs can potentially disrupt the metaverse's traditional social network patterns of user engagement, transaction, and socialization. So, how would these impacts play out in the metaverse? People in the metaverse and NFT might interact more in the future. This is a list of some examples. The road to a fair and transparent economy. Individuals and businesses can now represent their real-world assets and solutions digitally. Innovative gaming models and blockchain games that work together could allow the metaverse to accept more real-world assets. New models like the play-to-earn gaming model would increase NFTs' influence in the metaverse. It enables the use of NFTs to drive metaverse engagement and empowers players. Play-to-earn games are fair because they give players full ownership and control over their assets. The importance of play-to-earn gaming guilds in fostering NFT metaverse interplay is undeniable. The guilds act as buyers and sellers of NFT resources, like assets and lands. It is then lent to players, who can use it in various virtual worlds to earn a profit. In return, the play-to-earn guilds would only take a small cut. To ensure that a fair and open metaverse economy is built on NFTs, they are the perfect foundation. The guilds could lower the entry barrier for play-to-earn games by giving players a head start. So, the metaverse has the potential for a fair economy where everyone can participate. On NFT marketplaces, users could freely exchange their NFT assets like in-game collectibles and digital real estate. A vital feature of the blockchain is its transparency and immutability. The metaverse's economy is fair and open. Now, supply and demand will determine NFT scarcity and on-chain value. As a result, there was no room for value inflation. That is how the metaverse and NFTs generate a transparent and equitable economy. New generation of community, social and identity experiences. The impact of NFT metaverse initiatives would also considerably affect metaverse users' identification, social and communal experiences. By holding NFT assets, users can show their support for a specific project or express their thoughts on the virtual and real world. People who own NFTs could form groups to share their experiences and work together on content. The famous example of NFT avatars demonstrates how the metaverse NFT connection is changing the world. NFT avatars represent a player's true self and the one they envisage. Players could enter and switch between different areas in the metaverse, using their NFT avatars as access tokens. Extensions of real-life identities, NFTs give users complete control and ownership over their virtual identities, and they can be used to make new identities. Users might utilize NFT avatars to earn virtual membership in various real-world and metaverse experiences. As a result, combining the metaverse with NFTs may improve users' social and communal experiences. NFT avatars' potential is further demonstrated by their use in the metaverse for startup launches and content development. New trends for real estate. Virtual worlds imply a lot of virtual real estate in space. NFTs could be used to take complete control of virtual environments in the metaverse. Users could show that they own the thing and build virtual real estate with the help of the blockchain. Selling virtual land for profit is one of the significant use cases of such NFT metaverse enterprises. In addition to setting up other structures, like an online shop or hosting an event, you can rent land to make money that comes in every month. The most well-known example of a digital real estate scenario in the metaverse is Decentraland. Decentraland recently held a virtual fashion show, and it was in conjunction with Adidas. The auction of fashion designs, called NFT, was included in the exhibition. As a result, there is no reason not to consider future auctions for virtual areas in the metaverse. Musicians have taken notice of the growing popularity of virtual real estate as a means of claiming ownership of their work. Every NFT holder would have a location in the metaverse, and digital real estate would widely refer to ownership of digital assets in the future. And that brings us to the end of our video. Which part of the video did you enjoy the most? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Hit that bell icon to catch the latest video as soon as it's out. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. Before going, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching us.